Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. Let's ride. Let's ride. Guys, I feel so rejuvenated, guys. I had a good night's sleep. I had a good night rest. I tuned into some services on this morning. Got to do that on Sunday morning. Got to do that before you start your day. A brand new week. I thank God for that. A brand new week, guys. I'm just riding, about to do a little bit of grocery shopping. Just want to come and tell you guys what's going on. I've been doing several posts about this new business venture that I'm about to embark on, guys. I'm so excited. And for the ones who know me, I be kind of skeptical on doing business ventures and different things that I'm not too sure about. But with this business venture that I'm about to start on, I've actually, watched people who actually embark on this business, and they actually, take the products, and it's actually has been working. So this is, something that I would not try to put anybody on if I wasn't too sure of that myself. And by me being skeptical, if I co-sign, so it's a good thing that this business is a go. And one thing I like about this new business venture that I'm going to tell you about is the Life Changer. And basically is, I'll be selling like natural products. You can check my website. It's on my link here on Facebook. Is on my link. And I want you to just look at it, check it out, guys. We have to be serious about our health and about transformation. Like I said in past videos, that what are you living for if you don't believe in evolution? If you want to be the same, stay the same, feel the same, what are your purpose? What are you living for? And in life, you should want to change and make changes. You should not want to just put up and tolerate stuff that you don't like, So that's what I'm about. And that's the purpose of me starting my lifestyle blog, is basically to give tips on different things that can help you to enjoy your everyday living in life. And with this business venture, it speaks volumes to my purpose. I can use that as part of as my awareness, and on helping people. And also it starts with me. Help, everything starts with the individual. And what I'm saying? And I must say that by trying these products like the NutriBurst that helps with the energy, and guys, that I started, kind of late with parenthood, and I have to be able to keep up with my soon to be 3-year-old. Her birthday is be Thursday, so I'm excited about that. But I have to keep up with her, and other demands that I have going on. Like I have a full-time job. I'm a 4K teacher. I need energy for that. I'm married. I have other, I have household chores and things to do. I have to keep up with. You have to take care of my family. So I need energy. So that NutriBurst, that helps with that, guys. You can check out that product. That's on my link on my website. That's on the link there. And that's something that it gives you energy. And also with the seasons changing and it's about to be fall approaching, you want to have that extra immune boost. We have to keep our levels up, our immune system, and we cannot add, like with being COVID season, you don't want to add on more fuel to the fire. I add on more than what you really need. So what it has to be. So I think with the NutriBurst and the other little products that I have on my site, check out, it all natural. Check it out. It's all natural products. I've tried the detox, the Lasso tea, and with that, guys, that really helps you out. We have the different intestines and testicles in our body, different things that's going on with our intestines and stuff in our body, and that needs to stay clean. We have to keep our colon and everything else clean, guys. So with that detox, that works wonders. We all need a good detox. We have to we have to keep our systems clean. We eat a lot of us, like as for me, I used to eat a lot of junk, which should change. I'm about to be on this new health kick, and I'm going to journal that, guys. I want you to stay tuned to my blog. I want you to come along with me on my journey. Me and my husband, we decided to do this because we want to be healthy. Like I said again, for our 2-year-old, his 13-year-old. You know, we want to be able to live, like I posted on my Facebook, to live to see proms, milestones, you know what I'm saying, and college, you know, marriage, grandkids. We want to be here, and we can be here, you know what I'm saying, with the grace of God. You know, we want to be here and be able to witness and celebrate the different milestones of our kids. So it has to start with us, you know. And so we have to, you know, make a commitment to be healthy and try to remain healthy. You know, you have to exercise with these products. You have to, you know, exercise and take them daily. You know, in order to see the results, you have to put in the work. Like, I know you heard the scripture, faith without works is dead. You know, a lot of us, we want transformation. We want to be healthy. We want to lose that gut. We want that energy. But what are you doing in place? I mean, what are products that have you tried? You know, if you try product, it doesn't work, maybe it's time to try new products. Maybe it's time to change up the way you do things. You can't knock something unless you try it. You can't give the thumbs down if you haven't tried it. So if something not working in your life and you want better, you have to put the effort, and you have to make the first step in doing that. So I think with the products on my website, it's all natural. You know, you have a lot of people they're using that. You know, it works. You know, people doing the work. You have to do the work with it so you can see the results. With whatever your body goal is. You know, some people may want to lose their gut, some may want to lose weight. And with that, I have products for that. I have drops for that. You know, go check out my website on my link here on this page, guys. You know, and so I'm excited about that. And also with me trying to be healthy and keep my energy sustained, and me detoxing, and me just keeping a healthy mental, guys. You know, also with this business, it also is another stream of income. You know, it helps you out financially and healthily, you know, in a health kit. So with me, my goal is to retire, you know, in the next 10 years, and I want to be financially able to do that. You know what I'm saying? I want to travel. I want to do things that I want to do. I always work and did things that I had to do. Now I want to do things that I want to do. You know, I want to purchase a new home. I just a lot of things. I want to be able to sow into my daughter's future. A lot of things I want to do, but I have to put forth the effort, and that's what I'm doing, guys. And I know a lot of you that's watching, you know, you basically like in the same boat as me. You know, you want to change, you want to start something. You want to start something new. You know, you might be, I was skeptical, but I've seen the results. You know what I'm saying? Before I invest any money in something, you have to sell me. I have to be sold on the idea. And I'm sold. You know what I'm saying? I've seen people lose weight. They're happier. They making an income off this. So that sold me. And that's why I'm able to tell you about it, you know, because I've seen the results in the Total Life Changers company and being an independent consultant, guys. If you want to join my team or learn more, like I say, check on my website to learn more about it. Guys, I want you to follow me, guys, as I'm about to, you know, journal my new transformation, guys. As for me, I want more energy. I want to exercise more, guys, because I'm thin. Thin does not always mean healthy. You know, I want to tone up some areas, guys. I want to be physically fit. I want to be able to chase and run behind my daughter and be able to keep up with her, do sports, and I just want to have that youthful vitality, that lifestyle, guys. So that's why I'm sold on taking the NutriBurst tea. I'm sold on getting detox, the NutriBurst, and getting detox. You know, I'm sold on that, guys. So I suggest you try something too. You know, be your own boss. You know, get healthy while doing so. You have nothing to lose, guys. You know, and the good thing about a lot of y'all, you know, some people that may be watching this, y'all have a lot of friends and family. You are an influencer. So why not make money by use your influence to make money? Use your influence to help change lives, to transform lives. And it starts with you and being consistent with that, guys. So I'm super geek. You know, I'm excited about, you know, my new business venture. Guys, I want to take you along the way. I want to show you, you know, the benefits of what I'm doing and, you know, how I'm benefiting from. I just want to like journal everything so y'all can be able to see it. So stay in tune with me with that on my blog site and also on my photos and everything, every other interaction I have with my new business venture, guys. To learn more, inbox me, guys. Continue to have a blessed day and try, you know, be the good you. Be you. You know what I'm saying? Be the new you. Something you don't like, guys, change it. You know, change it. Pray about it. God send people and resources your way, change it. You don't have to sit there and settle for a certain body type, a certain look, your finances. You don't have to settle for that. You know, this is a new season, a new day, guys. So I suggest that you be the new you. Guys, stay informed, stay contacted with me, guys, and my husband as well, Chuck Hainsworth. Guys, follow his journey as well. I'll be posting a lot of his stuff as well, guys. Guys, let's stay connected, stay in contact, guys. Happy Sunday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.